Thank you.
Good morning. We are sitting here at, where are we at?
Black Forest of the Gunnison National Park.
Canyon.
Yeah.
Black Canyon of the Gunnison.
Black Forest. We're still sleep deprived.
Yeah. Yep, we slept in this morning. And it's taking our time. We're just kind of playing catch up on some sleep this morning, and
Yes.
we were kind of go trying to get places to get out here, and we'll explore this place today, and we'll head into probably to stay somewhere around Montrose, just find somewhere. We actually don't have a campsite anywhere tonight, so we're going to try to hike down into the canyon. There's, I think, 2 routes that are the only legal access to get down in it. One's on the north rim, one's on the south rim. We're on the south rim. We're at the south rim campground. It's where we're sitting at here right now, which is we pulled in here when it was dark last night. It was kind of a little bit of a fiasco getting over here. We ate dinner in Gunnison and it got dark, and it's a pretty curvy road, hilly road coming over here. Road construction. We were basically driving through a job site going 10 miles an hour.
It was bad. It was rough.
Yeah, it was rough.
Really bad.
We were tired. So we were thankful to pull in here last night. But we haven't walked around here at all. We've just been sleeping and cooking breakfast, drinking coffee. So
when we pull out of this campsite today, we'll be seeing it for the first time because we didn't see it on the way in.
That's right. So we're going to explore the rim trail, try to get down into the canyon today, and head on out of here later on. It's our campsite from last night. This is a South Rim campground. So there's really no trees here. I mean, I get you call these trees. I call them bushes. But it's like, yeah, you're pretty well hidden from one spot to the other. So like back in here, we got a fire pit with a little grill on it. Nice picnic table. I think that's our little tent spot if you were to have a tent. A little trail leading back there. So it's kind of cool. I mean, you're tucked back in here. Like our neighbors are up there, but yeah, you can't really see each other. We got one of the few spots that's got electric. Not that we needed it. It ain't like we're running an air conditioner, but nonetheless.
crazy. It's like you almost lose perspective of, just like the whole top of this place.
Yeah. Yeah, you definitely, no, it's hard to explain. This is a spot along the Oak Flat Trail here. Just a little spot off the side. Sit out here and you got a good view of the valley here, which I'm probably blocking. From where I'm sitting, I can see the river. You can't really see it very good, but it's just really weird. It's hard to, you lose depth perception so bad down in there. All the jaggedness of the rock, and I don't know, it almost makes you dizzy looking at it. It's
Yeah, it's like your brain knows how jagged these rocks are, but like your eyes almost can't see it all. Very weird.
Yeah, and right now there's no shadows. Like the sun is hitting the other side, and there's just no shadows. And where the river cuts down through that gorge, I mean, we can see down there, but I can't. I mean, it just looks like a flat cliff, but it's not. That's what it looks like.
Colors are definitely starting to turn. Lots of color up here.
Very cool spot in the Black Canyon of the Gunnison right here on the Oak Flats Trail. You can see the furthest downriver. Just crazy. It's just so steep and rough, and I don't know if you can hear the water, but we're a long ways, and we can hear it very well. I'm sure it's just very, very loud down in there. Pretty cool. We're at Pulpit Rock. We're gonna drive to the end of the rim road here. So, whole picnic table's here. Great spot to have lunch, which we should have done. This is just barely past the visitor center. You can actually see the visitor center straight ahead. Look out there. Absolutely gorgeous Pulpit Rock. My recommendation to someone coming here would be to spend 2 full days. One day driving the road around the rim. So we drove the south rim and hit up probably only half of the lookout points. There's a lot of them, and but by the time you drive around, and hike out to these places and look around and get back. It takes about a full day. There is an area that we did not access on the south side, the East Portal Trail, and it's a road that takes you down to the river, but it takes a small vehicle to get down there, just like a regular car. We could not get our camper down there. But I would spend one day doing that. I'm sure you could fit the East Portal in, and then the second day, I would recommend going out to Warner Point, hiking the trail down to the river, which does take a backcountry permit to do. It's the longest route down to the river from the top, but it's the most realistic to do, most accessible. I think it's about 7 miles round trip and about 2,500 feet coming back up out of the canyon out of memory. But that would, if I went back, that's what I would do, and that would be our recommendation. Here at Sunset View, it's a very different part of the canyon. Side just laid back a lot more, but man, it's just absolutely gorgeous right here. I mean, just beautiful. There's I think it's Warner Point is I mean, it's just not very far from here, and it's the highest drop from top to bottom in the park. It's about 2,500 feet. So this river drops 2,100 feet in the 14 miles it runs through here. It's just crazy. But this might be the prettiest spot in the whole place right here.